So, still having problems with Advanced Steel 2022 small model here, and select elements. These are the only elements that are new in the project, and it's taken me a long time to get the details out. So I've updated the details, and or I've output the details, and here they are. And now for some reason my assemblies are unknown. You can see these, they're unknown. Now sometimes when they're unknown, if you update them, they will show up, and they're not showing up. Sometimes if you go in and open them, so let me see if I can go in and open them. Can't open them, so drawings are gone. So you're gonna have to try and re-register the drawings. This is just a real pain. I mean, as soon as I have 2 projects in Advanced Steel 2022, and as soon as I finish them, I'm going to go back to Advanced Steel 2021 because I'm just wasting so much time. It's really quite ridiculous, to be honest with you. So I don't get it. So I'm going to have to re-register these parts, and now it's going to also tell me then that these numbers are already included, right? Probably. No, let's see, successful registration of 1 part. So let's go back in. I mean, it's the simplest of jobs, and it's just, alright, so it has registered those 2 and 6 and 1, 3, 4, 5. That might be them all. So maybe that's worked, but now what's happening is when I open these, because I've already gone through all this process, so when I open these, when I go back through to edit them and then close them as I'm happy with them, and then Advanced Steel crashes again. So the best thing to do maybe is to open them all, and so if I see, let's say I'm happy enough with that one, I'm going to do save and close, and I will recheck these. I just want to get them saved and closed for now. Put the number over there on the south side. Hole size is in. Okay, that one is good. Small one with plate on the top of it. That's going to be okay. And this is about the 4th time I'm doing this, so maybe this time it'll work. 4th time lucky. One's okay. Alright, and I'll go back and check these again a little better. And there's the channel, and I do like to put in this connected members, but it doesn't always work, so I just delete it when I don't want it. In here, insert a point from here, and don't need a bottom view. So let's see. So now the last time actually it crashed because I was updating this detail. So let's save this before we do anything and delete that weld symbol, fix that label, put this label up here. And the weld symbol here. So what's happening is I need to change the units here, so let's move this down and go into your home, project settings, length. I have to set this up in the drone, fractional 1/32 in order for this here to show up as 12 instead of 1 foot. Select the beam, labels and dimension, update detail, and this is where I crashed the last time. And it has crashed again, as you can see. So same problem each time. Now it's crashed again, even though I've saved everything. This doesn't give me the opportunity to close out. So now I have to do Control Alt Delete. End task and end the task. Now I have to open it again, re-register the drawings. So that drawing is the problem, so I have to avoid doing that the next time. So if we open it again, what I'll do is once I get to that drawing, I will just explode that weld symbol and just try to get out of this job as quick as possible, and just probably go back to 2021. I'm sure some of the issues are because I have some modifications and all that and some customization, but it's just not letting me work at all, really. I'm just going 2 steps forward and then 2 steps backwards all the time. So I'll let this open and let's just see what drawings are registered and what aren't. Document manager. Now I've made sure to save all the drawings first, so as you can see, we're back to one drawing, and we're back to these not being able to update. Okay, so we're back to the same thing. So we have to go to output again, register the drawings, come back in here, open. Let's see, go back into document manager and up to date, and the drawings are there. So we just need to go to that one and edit that. So just to try and get this out the door, I'm just going to open it again. And what I'll do is I'll avoid updating that drawing, and hopefully they won't change anything on this. Alright, so save and close. Close, level's good, west side. Close. That one's good. Good enough, I should say. I have these. I need to put in dimensions here. So I'm missing a dimension line here just to weld in these clips. And then you want to change that style. You don't want that to be linear relative. You want absolute, and then a broken dimension line looks best. Then we can close that, and now we're getting down to the one. Close that. So this is the one we had, so instead I'm just going to explode this weld symbol and just change this to 12. So what I do usually before I explode is I'll put in 11 inches just so I have enough space, because you can see we don't have enough space now. Let's just move this out. And you don't need to, but I like to put this all back together in a group then afterwards. Up here, these dimensions, you don't want them going to that point on the channel. So I'm just going to do that instead, alright? And we'll do the same here. So let's just save this. And we'll just put a new dimension line here. And it's going to come in with it automatically. Now, see, it's crashed again. So there's something wrong with this drawing. And now it's crashed again. So now I have to go back through the whole process again and come back to this drawing. And I'm doing this for the last couple of hours. It's painful. Alright, I just thought I'd record it in case anyone wanted to see the issues I'm having and if they're having the same issues. Okay, thank you.